to have such a senior person like Mr. Kara who is supporting us, and peace is very very important along with the business activities, because business can give right peace, because when everybody has a right business to do and they do correctly, I think we have a city something like Dubai, like a franchise model, what we call city of peace franchise model, which can help 200 countries people to work together, live together, and inspire with safety. Like this is the safest place in the world. That's why we are sitting in Dubai, and we are always honored with the great mentor who has worked practically on peace treaty with Mr. Trump and His Highness of UAE, as well as Israel, to come together with this peace treaty. So it's all about right business opportunities and what these events can do. That's why we are requesting him to initially support for the event what we are organizing, Seek of Peace event, to give award as a Seek of Peace award to the highest level of people. And we also want His Highness and Mr. Trump and everybody to be awarded and help us to create this franchise model in his mentorship, where whole world can learn and adopt the system what UAE and Dubai has been working and created. If you know, in 2033, UAE and Dubai will complete 200 years. So if you see 200 years of completion is like something massive. So if you see the timings, we are sitting here next, these 8 years can be marvelous. And it's a huge and big opportunity, because this country will be growing like anything. They are 10,000 years ahead than normal countries we see or cities we see around different part of the world. And to compare and compete, people need to learn, and that's why we request you to help us, because he is working directly with His Highness and Trump, so he has a better knowledge and direction what they think and how they can help and how we can award them.
Look, Trump give me the power to start with Abraham Accord agreement. That's very important thing happened to the Middle East. Without Trump, this is not happening. And I'm very happy that I was participate with Prime Minister Netanyahu in this process. I remember when I put the plant in Washington to the advisors and Mr. Trump, no one know anything about the Middle East when he elected in 2016. So I'm very happy today that President Trump going to new process that give Israel peace and make the area very strong economic with another Abraham Accord agreement. So we are in way to make the Middle East be together. We finished the war in Gaza and everywhere, and we go to new Middle East with Netanyahu, with Trump, with President Nahyan and Ben Salman. I'm very happy for that.
That's amazing. And if you see, he has also helped lots of businesses to be established in African countries, UAE, India, USA. So we need to learn, how we can connect and help people to get this financial freedom and prove themselves if they have good idea and potential.
Look, in my center, we take decision that for Africa especially, we could sponsor any project that's become from the government. So anything that could be airport, hospital, port, a construction, roads, military defense, cyber security, IT, anything, we could support any project for if they give us guarantee. The guarantee could be from bank and could be petroleum, it could be gold, anything. So any state that has a project that they did not have the sponsor for that, we could find the sponsor for that and help him to make it happen.
That's super. And if you see Abraham Lincoln United States of America, if you see USA was formed in the mentorship of United States, and same thing you see UAE got united, and it's like United Arab Emirates. So if we see the frequency, what happened in the history of United States is coming toward UAE right now, and we feel these 8 years are very very important, and we are in a right time because it's a time of technology. artificial intelligence, crypto, blockchain, and lots of biggest event like ETEX, and lots of things. People are coming together with the best of the best technology. So what do you see about that?
I think everything that in the around the economy, if you as a especially organization need any help for any company, for any businessman, for any billionaire, we could make for you the right access everywhere to make it happen, to make it successful. We do it every day, and of course, people did not know about that much, but you have your club and you have the right persons and billionaires. So let us do it together. You make the access, you make the connection, and we give the solution.
Since we are working on so many ways to communicate, and always network marketing is also one of the tool. Like we are also planning with my business club something like that, where the people, the normal citizen, can also participate and join the business only with $7, and they can have a real portfolio and profile. Like every citizen around the world has a membership plan, and where we can get them help, training, education system, and sky is the limit, because this industry has also proven a lot around the world, and we are supporting because we need to support at the ground level as well to make people grow. And this is something we need a technology support, we need right people support, and Israel is number one in technology. If you know or not, let me just remind you: chat gtp, Google, Facebook, you understand, you name ways, you name the technology, you understand, Insta, WhatsApp, whatever, the founders are from basically born in Israel. Am I right?
Yes, but the problem is the extremism sometimes did not need Israel. They dress the clothes of Israel, they use the Facebook, they use Google, they use all the technologies from Israel. So if Israel destroyed, how you could use all these things, I don't know. But God with us, God plus Israel, God plus who is good like India. And no one could stop this relationship because UAE also very good place, very good regime, and I'm very happy that the extremism passed away in last 2 years.
And if you see, just now we had a Good Friday, and it's like a very auspicious day. If you see, and Jesus Christ, Mother Mary, if you see, as a big testimony, whole world has seen how blessed this country is, and how love has to be explored, because they taught how to love people. What we say, love is a price. And since it's a right occasion, and we also in a Sikh community had our ninth Guru birthday on Friday, so God is connecting things together, and what He feels Sikh and Israel, like we both are same as a faith and whatever. It's just like we are in different countries in different looks, but internally the frequency level and thought process is the same. And that's what we want to bring to the world. When God is connecting and universe is helping, see, I'm not a big person to say like I can change the world or something like that, but everything has to start with small, and somebody have to take an initiative.
I remember when Modi visited Israel, he asked me as a Minister of Communication, Satellite, Cyber, IT, Digital, he asked me to bring companies from Israel to help India. And near the Prime Minister Netanyahu, I told him this is going to work immediately. After 1 year, the economic between India and Israel grow, and after 2 years more. And today, the economic, all the cooperation between India and Israel become the best economic from Israel to all the state in the world. So I'm very happy that cooperation, people that the value life is like India and UAE, where they are value life, they are cooperation and people successful. Where they are extremism, no value life and no successful.
That's true, and we have to, understand how to practically live peacefully, and we have to see the examples and show the world, because wherever we have a mistake, we need to correct it. Everybody does a mistake, so we are not hating anybody. or we are not saying like you are wrong or right, but any mistakes can be improved. So if we want to unite 200 countries, we need mentors like him who has practically helped the world to come together and correct whatever happened in the history. Because somebody has to take an initiative to correct the past incidents. And if you see tomorrow, the whole world will witness how this thing happened. But initially, somebody has to plan. Like he planned, he got the authority from Mr. Donald Trump, and that's why he was able to perform and do all such kind of things. So free hand has to be needed. Somebody has to trust somebody to make it happen, and he's the right person, trustworthy person. So we must support him to take this flag and take this mission to the world and help everybody to live best of the best. And it's a true inspiration because it's not a fake or something. He has practically achieved and done it. Secondly, we are also learning how this timing can help the world. Next 8 years, I feel UAE should be focused at the top level, and here sky's the limit. We need this world to be debt free. Even USA is working. Donald Trump is working hard to make that country debt free. What was prayers what we do, because we are already praying and focusing on smiles and how prayers can change the world. Same way, we need some real projects which can help. Right now, we have to learn how these real projects can be practically executed. He has already done it, he has already planned it, and he has worked with the best people in the world. So, can you have some ideas and something which people can come together?
Yes, I think people must understand that one God for all the world, only one. And people couldn't be the judge of God. They couldn't killing and suffering people. God is the address for anything humanity, economic, positions. No one could stop that. So what I think is that people must think about how make the world better, how they could cooperate better, how they stop the extremism, because no one come back from next world and he say was good or was wrong. So we have this world. Let us make it better.
True, and we all support him. Second thing is, if you see today, we are in 2025 year, and we have a dream. See, everybody can think a dream, and everybody can work on a dream. So I feel what we are working to create 1,000 new billionaires with the help of G20 event in South Africa and get everybody connected through real business projects. And we are not committing anything or enticing anybody. We are just saying, if already we have more than 3,000 billionaires around the world, can we add 1,000 more by bringing right people on the table, connect right people with right wisdom like he has, and he has already shown the world. Because in November and December, we need to launch this technology. And if you know technology, how this blockchain, crypto, it's like trillion-dollar industries and how these people have worked, we are working to launch City of Peace franchise model. So once that model is ready, I think 2 months we will break all records. And that technology, the investment, and everybody need a safety in their own country. They need a city in their own country, and that franchise model will break all the records, because every country we are trying to get five new billionaires through this project, and we are selecting them if they are promoting only peace. If peace is not there, I think we are not able to help, because we need peace in every country. So we are not ignoring, we are not hating, or we are not having any negative energy for any country. We are only saying, if you adopt peace model in your country and help us to develop a city of peace in your country, this project can help at least 5 new billionaires. That model is easy because city can give many things. If you see in Dubai, there are thousands of billionaires who are coming and making money. So one city can at least give 5 billionaires. Let's close with him with right words. Would you read something the last?
Yes, I think next occasion or next conference or event that you're going to arrange, you have to collect people in flows from all the world, exactly people that love and support the peace process and economic cooperation and big company that's in flows, because all of us guests in this world, money is not everything. You have to come to pay to make the world better. And I think you are in especially club billionaires that people must give decision and and make everything make the world better. I am very happy that we met today, and especially day for Israel, for UAE, for India, for everyone.
I just want to close like with the mentorship of Mr. Mukesh Ambani. He's the richest man in India. We are planning an event in UAE within the next 60 days where we are trying to bring more than 10,000, even we are working on 25,000 families to help and explore, and where all the you know dignitaries around the world
I
will
never
be
forget.
participating.
I never forget. I was in two big events in India, in Delhi, with Ravi Shankar, and I speech there was great. Millions of people. I want you to become like this event make here.
Thank you so much, because his words can act as a blessings, because when right people speak, words make a big sense. So thank you for inspiring me and blessing me with such a great energy. And with end, we always say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you so much.